Because that trigger, that anxiousness, that compulsiveness, they're boom, they're reactive. It's just like all of a sudden they did drugs again. Just like the addict falling off the wagon. It's like, fuck, I got drunk. I didn't mean it. We need to watch out for our anxiety. We need to watch out for our triggers. And what I tell people is that it's like if we were in the wilderness in bear country, we need to be on high alert. And this is one of the things that is a huge sticking point in contemporary society, because contemporary society lost that awareness. But the reality is everything on this planet needs that awareness and strives for that awareness. And because you're on high alert all the time doesn't mean that there is no relaxation with that. And being on a higher alert, we grow that way. So that level of awareness. So here's another lesson of environment. Put ourselves in a real environment for dealing with addictions and trauma. And that's that high level. And there's going to be some meditations in that, because most people don't have any real life experience that they need that level of awareness. So we have to do some meditation and some, some creative thought process, and understand that that's here. And of course we can tap into anything right there. All the birds behind me have that level of awareness. All the bugs around me have that level of awareness. So it's all around us. We just need to transcend some of these human things. And this is the self-talk, and this should keep everyone busy for plenty of time. But this is us regrowing. But you have to understand that level of awareness, watching out for this thing coming into our mental emotional habitat, this trauma coming into our mental emotional habitat.